Please join us at 1 p.m. Eastern on Thursday, July 23rd as our faculty discusses how to use ISO 9001 to shape a strong pandemic response. In the Healthcare Web Summit event, how hospitals can shape an effective systematic pandemic response by utilizing ISO 9001, co-sponsored by DNV GL Healthcare. COVID-19 has overwhelmed hospitals, their emergency rooms, intensive care units, and created a huge demand for respirators, personal protective equipment, and other resources. During this webinar, we'll discuss how to use ISO 9001 to shape a strong pandemic response. We're pleased to introduce our speakers, Heather Kahn, Vice President of Patient Care Services and Chief Nursing Executive, and Gabrielle Sauter, Associate Vice President of Clinic and Community Operations from Norwegian American Hospital, along with Simile Miller, Standards Application and Interpretation Specialist for DNV GL Healthcare. Our moderator is Barry Smith, Director of Sales with DNV GL Healthcare. Webinar registration is complimentary for qualified applicants. To register, go to healthwebsummit.com and select this important July 23rd webinar. We do hope you'll join us.